How to make $300 a day with Google News. Are you ready to turn your free time into a goldmine? Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into uncharted territory, where we'll reveal how you can make money from Google. That's right, folks. In today's video, we'll explore a fascinating, free, and easy method that could potentially earn you $9,000 in a month or a cool $300 a day. And guess what? You won't need any fancy degrees or qualifications. This opportunity is open to anyone, anywhere in the world. So, for those of you always wondering if it's available globally, the answer is a resounding yes. The first step is straightforward. Head over to google.com. I'm sure you're familiar with this platform, right? Once you're there, simply type Google News into the search bar and hit enter. This will take you to Google News, a hub for both local and international news, constantly updated in real time. Now, here's where the magic happens. In the first step, you'll want to select topics that are popular or trending. These topics can range from technology, business, sports, entertainment, science, or health, as you can see in the menu bar here. For this video, we'll focus on business and health topics. Stick around because I'll show you how to monetize these later. Let's dive into the business section and see if we find anything intriguing. This one looks quite attention-grabbing. Millennial money. 4 ways married couples can use tax breaks to build wealth. Doesn't that pique your interest? Now, let's choose a health topic. There are so many compelling articles here, but this one caught my eye. The one thing you should absolutely never do if you want to keep your kidneys healthy. It's one of those studies, right? The ones that make you question your cheese consumption. I can't resist finding out more. After selecting your articles, it's time for the next step. We'll hop over to Spinbot, and you'll find the link in the description below. Spinbot is a free, and I can't stress this enough, a free automatic article spinner or text writing tool. It's ideal for paraphrasing, and it helps you avoid plagiarism. According to their website, Spinbot is grammatically accurate, adds a fresh spin to content, and is used by millions worldwide. I can personally vouch for its grammatical accuracy and its knack for putting a unique spin on different inputs, whether it's an article, a blog, or anything else. All you need to do is copy the articles you found on Google News and paste them into Spinbot. Then, hit the spin button. Take a look at the differences after spinning. See how Spinbot did a fantastic job. It's different, yet it conveys the same message without triggering any plagiarism flags. The same holds true for the health article. It spun beautifully. Now, it's essential to review the final article. You can personalize it, remove unnecessary content, and make it read perfectly. You might be wondering if this is ethical. Well, let me put it into perspective. Did Burger King steal the business model from McDonald's? It's up for debate, but what they did was take a successful model and put their own spin on it. Ever wondered why major news platforms like BBC, ABC, CNN, and CBS report similar news? It's not because they have reporters everywhere. Most news networks repurpose content from other sources. What you're doing here is similar, but the key is putting your unique spin on it. If you believe this is an opportunity to earn your $9,000 per month, let's manifest it together. In the comments, type, "spin on it." Some folks scroll straight to the comments, so they'll be curious to see what we're talking about. Little do they know, we're manifesting our $300 per day. With your freshly spun articles, you're now ready to make some money. I'm going to share various platforms where you can post these articles and make substantial income. The best part? These platforms cover a wide range of topics, and many of them are accessible from anywhere in the world. I'll provide the websites for each platform, and you can check them out to understand their specific guidelines, payment rates, and requirements. Now, let's dive deeper into the various platforms where you can post your spun articles and start earning some serious cash. Each of these platforms has its unique offerings, so be sure to explore them further by visiting their websites. Dotdash Meredith.com. This platform will pay you handsomely, with earnings ranging from $100 to as much as $500 per article. They are interested in articles covering topics related to health, home improvement, beauty and style, travel and more. thepennyhoarder.com. Here's another fantastic opportunity that offers compensation ranging from $75 to $100 per article. Your articles can cover personal finance, including savings tips, budgeting strategies, and creative ways to make money. thetravelingwriter.org. Travel enthusiasts, this one's for you. The Traveling Writer offers payments ranging from $50 to $200 for articles related to travel, including destination guides and valuable travel tips. wow-womanonwriting.com. Wow Women on Writing. Ladies, this platform provides opportunities for female writers to shine. You can earn between $50 and $100 for articles focusing on freelance work, entrepreneurialism, and education. internationalliving.com. International Living. If you have a passion for travel and lifestyle, International Living could be your go-to platform. They offer payments from $75 to a whopping $400 per article, covering topics like retirement abroad and budget traveling. alistairpart.com. For those well-versed in web design, coding, and related topics, Alistairpart pays generously, ranging from $200 to $300 per article. strongwhisper.com. Here's a platform that values culture, environment, and social issues. Strong Whisper offers payments from $50 to $150 per article. listverse.com. Listverse is an excellent platform that offers a flat rate of $100 for accepted articles. Topics can range from science and entertainment to history. Cracked.com. If you have a knack for humor, pop culture, and entertainment, Cracked offers payments starting at $100 and going up to $200. Keep in mind that some articles may require approval. thedollarstretcher.com. The Dollar Stretcher, earning potential adds up here, with payments at 10 cents per word. They focus on articles related to personal finance, saving money, and frugal living. writersweekly.com. Writers Weekly values articles related to writing, publishing, and freelance work, paying $60 per article. photoshoptutorials.ws. Photoshop tutorials. If you're skilled in Photoshop, this platform offers impressive payments, with articles earning as much as $300, with a minimum of $25 per accepted article. Articles need to be submitted and approved before monetization. Incomediary.com. On Income Diary, you can earn between $50 and $200 per accepted article. Topics can span making money online, social media, and internet marketing. tutsplus.com. For web development, design, and creativity enthusiasts, Tutsplus pays between $50 and a whopping $500 per accepted article. thesunmagazine.org. The Sun Magazine. This literary magazine pays writers for personal essays, interviews, and fiction, with the potential to earn up to $200 for their work. Problogger.com. Problogger is a highly popular platform for freelance writing jobs, offering opportunities to submit articles on various topics, including health-related ones. Shortstack.com. Accessible across the globe, Shortstack provides opportunities to submit articles in many different niches or categories. Skyword.com. Skyword is ideal for freelancers who want to write about a myriad of topics. Host, encouraging exploration. These platforms offer diverse opportunities for writers worldwide. Be sure to visit their websites and review the guidelines, payment rates, and submission requirements. With consistency and dedication, you'll be well on your way to earning a substantial income. So, there you have it. A free and easy way to earn money using Google News. Whether you're interested in health, business, or any other topic, there are opportunities out there waiting for you. Remember, consistency is key. Aim to post 3 to 5 articles per day, and you'll be on your way to claiming your $9,000 per month. If you found this information valuable, Please show your support by liking this video and subscribing if you haven't already. Your support means the world to us. Thank you for joining us today as we ventured into uncharted territory. Now, it's your turn to take the reins and start turning your free time into a goldmine. Good luck, and happy spinning!